Okay. All right, next up we have something from Cooking Light. This is such a must-have for everybody, and especially if you like to entertain or you're just an at-home cook who's eating at home every day. You need a good set of knives. Now you might have like those fancy French knives or Japanese knives, but your everyday knives. This is from Cooking Light. Yes, that magazine that we have been reading and loving for inspiration for like a healthier lifestyle for decades. It's a set of 8 titanium coated steak knives, all of them serrated, for $19.99. 8 of them for $19.99. That's a $5 easy pay. No reorder, they're final quantities. So your colors are, and they come in the handle. This is the blue. This is what all 8 of them look like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here is your aqua color. Oh, there you go. Here's your aqua. And then here is your red. Now, this is going to be the most limited, only 200 left. It's K89691. Chef Jeremy Parker is joining us today again. He is the king of the cutlery. That's what you are. You need a t-shirt. King of the cutlery.
King of the cutlery. I like that.
Yeah, I like that too.
You can give me one of those for my birthday. Hey, so yeah, we love Cooking Light magazine. You know, they give us great recipes. It's the same Cooking Light magazine that we know and love that made this set of 8 steak knives. And Julia, these are really just workhorse steak knives. I mean, they're beautiful. They have that titanium coating on there, which means that it keeps it from rusting and oxidizing, corroding. The handles are soft grip, so they're molded. So if you drop them, they're not going to break or snap like if riveted handles tend to do. And I'll tell you, it's just a wonderful set of knives. And like you said, if you're having company over the house, and maybe you're having a cookout or a barbecue, and you know, drunk Uncle Drew comes over, and he starts flexing and doing stuff with your knives, your expensive French knives and whatnot. This is just a great set of knives.
Yeah.
Get a couple of sets, maybe
I agree.
8 in a set. You get 16 for 2 sets. That's enough knives. They all match. If something happens to it, look, it's not a $50 knife. Okay, it's like, hey, whatever. You can put them in your dishwasher if you need to.
Yeah.
And so
it's a $2
just a
and change
wonderful
knife. But it's still sturdy. It's strong. It does. It's sharp. It's everything a knife needs to be. It's just not $300.
Exactly. It's what we call workhorse knives, and these are just your everyday knives that you want to use when, whether it's just you, your husband and wife, if there's 2 of you, because it's also a good knife for, say, bagels. You want a good serrated knife. It's the perfect size because it has a point and it's serrated. So when you're doing a bagel, you cut down and away. Did you know that bagels are the top accident? Well, what emergency? I don't know how to say that. People go to the emergency room for cutting bagels more than anything else in the kitchen.
It makes sense. It's not easy to cut one. It's awkward.
Yeah, and this way, it's just a wonderful knife for that. Also, other things like bread. So listen, even if you're a vegetarian and you see steak knife, don't worry. You're going to use these for a lot of things. Cutting a baguette. If you're doing crostinis, you're doing small things like that bagel or whatnot. Even if you just want to use this for a prep knife, I mean, look, I could take this zucchini and you just have total control because it is nice and sharp. So I can pull this straight through. So even though it says steak knife on there, you're going to use this for just whether it's fish or you're cutting up your veggies.
Look at those knife skills. Only Chef Jeremy Parker, king of the cutlery.
Oh, come on, anybody could do that. That's a really easy cut, yeah. But even things like a tomato, remember, things that are soft. You ever cut a tomato with a dull, straight knife? Like if I take the back of this knife and you can't get through the skin.
Right.
So what do? You stab it.
Yep.
Right,
you do.
Okay.
It's quite violent.
Yeah. Right. So again, here you just want a good little tomato knife, and so keep these handy. And again, I always hand wash all of my knives, but these are one of those sets that you can just put in the dishwasher and it's not going to wreck it.
I agree with Chef Jeremy that this is like, since it is such a workhorse, and I'm someone who likes things to be coordinated, I would pick up more than one set, because next thing I know, I don't really anticipate it, but this summer I'm hosting a huge barbecue and everyone's coming, and I was like, oh gosh, what am I going to do? What am I going to, they're not going to use plastic knives. I want to serve them something nice. This is the answer to that. So you're getting 8 of them. So if I got 2 sets, I would have 16 of them. That's a decent sized cookout. So let me take you through colors. This is the blue. It's a nice soft grip handle that feels really nice and sturdy and ergonomic in your hand. Then I have it for you in the aqua. pretty. And then I also have it for you in the red. Most limited now in the red, 150 left in the red. 100 orders have already been placed in our show. We have many more minutes to go. But look, originally $30, now 19 and change, plus free shipping and handling. You're saving $15.51. You're paying, if you use Easy Pay using any major credit card, $5 to get this home. It's $2.49 a knife from a name that we know and we trust, which is Cooking Light.
Yeah, and don't be fooled by that price. I mean, even at the $30 original price, it's a great value. So it's even a better value. But don't be fooled by that $2 and change a knife. It really is a good sharp knife. Even when you have these casings, and you can see that nice straight cut there. There's no shredding on that sausage casing. If you don't have a good sharp knife, what happens? It shreds it. And so again, this will just go right through there. Even though it's serrated, it cuts nice and smooth. Pork, chicken breasts, you're gonna love this for that. And whether you're right-handed or left-handed too, some knives are like right-handed or left-handed. They cut to an angle, and even just for things like this, hey, maybe you just need a good little knife. You want to take the stem out of a bell pepper,
right?
Or and you don't want to use a big chef's knife for things like this. So again, you have total control. Remember, we always say this, that a sharp knife is safer to use than a dull knife. Why? Because it does what you want it to do. See, I can go here and cut. When you have a dull knife, a lot of times you'll press harder. That's when you slip.
You're
That's
pressing
when you
hard
slip
and you're sawing more.
Yeah.
And you're frustrated.
Yeah, exactly. And I could just kind of cut all these whites out of this bell pepper here. And there you go. And there's all my sort of pieces that you want to discard. And then I could just, do those strips like that. And you see just one stroke through.
Let me tell you that. I love a bell pepper.
And your weren't you telling me about your French onion dip that you were just like smashing through a bunch? You made great French onion.
That I ate so much.
You said I think I ate a gallon of French onion dip.
I think I did.
Over the holidays.
I really think I did.
If that was in confidence, I apologize. We only told 20 million people right now. Don't worry. It's just we'll keep it between all of us. About your French onion dip
this is a circle of truth right here in the kitchen with Julia. We share all our dirty secrets. Yes, I ate a gallon of onion dip. It's fine.
Yeah.
We're fine. When it's good, it's good. Look, it's $19.99. You're getting 8 of them. I highly recommend you pick up more than one set because these are the final quantities. When a color is gone, it's not coming back. But it's strong, it's sturdy, it's a workhorse, it's an everyday knife that you feel confident using. I have it for you in 3 different colors. We sold out of another color. I have it for you in the blue that Jeremy is using right there on the bagel quite safely.
I'll finish this bagel quickly. There you go. Okay.
Here we go.
There's the blue.
There we go. There's the blue. Here's your aqua. Aqua's pretty. Ooh, that is sharp. Dink. There's your aqua. And then here is your red. Only 100 now left in the red. Do not wait on this. It's $19.99. You're saving $15.51. It's a $5 easy pay. K89691. I can't believe you told everybody about my onion dip.